What would you tell another collision shop on the fence about pursuing an in-shop knowledge assessment?
Just do it. The faster training time, the ease of the program, they're game changers. And the buy-in and the participation you see from your technicians as a whole is going to be greater than anything you've seen with iCar training before. So, do it for you and do it for your team and do it for your customers.
I would not consider it. They should just do it. We sat on the fence for quite a while, and when it was explained properly of how it works, the idea of it, the financial gains to it, from downtime, it really is a no-brainer. The industry is moving forward whether I want it to or not. I mean, we'd all like to sit here and pretend that it's not. But what it boils down to is that these certifications are necessary. And honestly, we should have this to be doing the repairs that we're doing. The people that are repairing these cars should have a level of knowledge and a continuing education. This industry moves faster than anyone can really stay on top of. So having some organization out there, the iCar organization, that stays on top of that for me and guides me through it, yeah, that's a win. And nobody should second guess taking the chance of the knowledge assessment.
What would you tell another collision shop on the fence about pursuing in-shop knowledge assessment?
Just do it.
Okay.